There isn't a single thing in this car that is not full of leaves and acorns and sand and rat poop.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. Week 2 of the 68 Plymouth GTX project. Before we get started on that, I want to tell you about a couple of upcoming videos we've got on the motorcycle side of things I'm pretty excited about. One, I'm calling it the definitive guide to winterizing. A lot of insider tips and tricks, show you some of the products that I've been using for years and years. I don't know if you can see them up here, but I follow the same procedure with every gas burning piece of equipment that I have, be it chainsaws, weed eaters, cars if I'm not going to be driving them, and of course bikes. So I want to share all those tips and tricks with you so you don't have a bunch of costly repair bills when you go to pull it out in the spring. The next video we're going to do, of course, you saw the new Skunk Series Precision Tappets are in, so we're going to go through a video showing you the importance of lifter, tappet, lifter, same thing, fitment into a bore, what the bore clearances should be, how to use the fit kit, what's so great about the new Skunk Series Tappets. I'm going to show you in very, very great detail how to adjust push rods and all that stuff to help your top end be as quiet as possible and get as much oil through those push rods as it's supposed to have. So those are two great upcoming videos here just after Thanksgiving that we'll be putting up. I've spent all day today working on the fenders for the curve bike. I know you've seen a few pictures here and there, but I'm not going to release pictures of the entire bike until I get it done and unveil it in Sturgis this year. So I'm very excited about that motorcycle. As you guys know, it holds a pretty special place in my heart. So I'll be taking, now that I've got most of the body work done, I'm going to be going up to Andy Anderson's place up in Nashville over Thanksgiving, and he's gonna teach me his skills. He's an incredibly gifted artist and painter. I call him old school, but his painting techniques are just incredible. So Andy is kind enough to teach me his techniques, and I get to use that on the curve bike. The idea is to do everything that I can possibly do on that bike myself. For the GTX videos today, I took a bunch of video footage while I was doing the work, and in the introduction, we had started taking the dash apart. So in today's video, I'm just going to roll some of the video clips of where I pulled the dash apart. Also, we're going to rebuild the entire heater box. We're going to put a new heater core in it. The heater box was just full of, well, you guys know, rat poop.
So finally got the dash pad out. It was shot. And then the lower dash pad, I refinished one the other day, but I'm going to refinish this one too and just see how it turns out. The glove box just completely rotten. Then we get to the heater controls. Just like everything else, it's completely full of sand, not working. The cables are stuck. And then I'll have to go through and refinish the plate here. I'm going to try to polish the chrome out and then just repaint that black background. And then of course all the individual cables and things, they're all stuck. So I'll try to lube those. Maybe I can save them. We do see one thing that the rats were munching on. There's the front dash speaker. Well, what's left of it anyway. So then let's move inside. I just decided let's just go ahead and rip the whole entire dash and everything underneath. Ugh. Jeez. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh man.
And that's it for this week. I'm going to go through all the footage and for the next video. I'm not sure exactly what the next one will be. It'll just be another step in the process, I guess, for the next one. But I wanted to take a minute. You know, I probably won't be putting up another video before Thanksgiving. And I just wanted to take a minute and thank all of you. I'm so thankful for all of our members, thankful for all of our subscribers and our viewers, your comments, your encouraging words. You guys are just fantastic. It keeps me motivated. It makes me smile. You know, I like helping people as much as I can, but you guys don't realize you help me too with again, your kindness, your encouraging words, your donations for the All Kids Bike Program. We're only about $800 away from having an entire school funded, thanks to all of you that donated. And this is the second time you've done it. And those of you that are purchasing the shirts from our Teespring store, you know, all of those profits go back into my charity at 3T Sports, and to do all kinds of things to help people, you know. And you guys are so gracious, and you give. And we're all part of this online family here. And I can't thank you guys enough for allowing me into your homes or your cell phones or your computer, wherever you may be watching this, and being a part of my life and what I do and what I love to do. So thank you all very much from my heart. I appreciate every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Take care of yourselves and each other. Have a good one.